If you are someone who's wondering what they should be doing in 2023 to make money online, to start their own online business, and you see all the different business models from e-commerce, online consulting, creating your own course and community, to online gambling, online investing, crypto investing. There's a lot of different paths you could take to the same goal achievement. And when you're just starting out, it's easy to get distracted and pulled in the different directions. So in this video, I'd like to share my experience over the last 7 years of pursuing this goal of financial freedom and succeeding online, making money online, and where it's led me, and what I believe for many people is honestly the best way to start. And I'm going to leave it kind of open-ended, but it's a specific area that I believe you should focus on. I focus on, and I recommend to a lot of different types of people to focus on, especially if your situation is just, hey, I've got time, I have a job that pays my bills, but I want more than that. I want 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, and I want something where I can have a team that does the work for me, and I can have money to invest. And if that's what you're looking for and you want to do it online and you just feel pulled to do online, you don't have to do it online. You can do a local business like a lawn mowing company. You could do all kinds of different local businesses that could be very successful. But if you feel pulled to make money online, you really want to learn it, and you feel like there's a big opportunity there, which I believe there's an opportunity there is, then watch this video and I'm going to explain exactly what I believe and what my experience has been starting out, making money online, making money digitally. How does that work? What's the best way to go about it? And I'll share with you that right now. So first, I've just got this listed. These are all the different types of businesses. There's probably a few more for online. Actually, there's quite a few more. These are the major ones that you'll see online in advertisements when you're searching and trying to learn about this. And people are going to be trying to pull you to the different courses, whatnot. And in my opinion, I would just cut through all this noise here. And I'm just going to tell you, if you're just starting out, you need skills. And the quickest thing that you can convert on starting out, if you don't have any money to like start an e-commerce store and like coaches for that, the first thing I would do starting out is freelancing. So this, in my opinion, is the best way to get started, and you can learn skills online for free or through paid coaching / communities. You can do that pretty inexpensively. There's ways to do that. People have free courses, and they have like subscription payment deals where they'll like answer your questions online. Or if you've really got the money, I would definitely do a personal coach. That's the fastest way. They can cut through all the mental distortions you have in your brain that are blocking you, and they can just cut the time a lot. But if you don't have time, learn online. And learning skills online, such as digital marketing services / design services, consulting services like AI prompting, HR / recruiting, sales / appointment setting. These are the things that you can focus on. You can start from the ground up, like appointment setting. Amazing skill. You can get paid so much. And I wish I had gone this route to start, and then become a sales contractor. You take 4 calls a day, close 1 to 2 people, be making average $500 to $1,000 a day, do high ticket closing, and then even more, $2,000 to $5,000. There's people that make crazy commissions per day selling, and you can start with appointment setting, make good money online. It's super simple. I've personally done it, and yeah, great choice. HR recruiting, some people are built for this. I've literally seen this. I've worked for big corporation type companies, and recruiter is a specific type of mindset, and you feel like you're that type of person, like you're outgoing, you can talk to people, you like to you're a recruiter, like you stand for the brand and you can pull people to a company. That's a great choice as well. Consulting, there's new consulting services popping up all the time, like AI prompting. You can do video editing, you can do data analytics, you can do accounting online. There's so many services you can sell online, and it's these I shouldn't say accounting because you probably want a degree, but you could probably learn some sort of like bookkeeping pretty inexpensively. But you can learn, literally just search into YouTube different skills and learn the different skills. Like maybe you can make a little list, kind of like I'm doing right here, of the best freelancing skills to learn. And freelancing, what is it? It's basically, in this context, and since we're saying online freelancing can be selling lawn mowing services. You're selling your service to somebody else. As a solo proprietor or with like a small team, it's like improvisational business with your skills, and you can basically just learn quick skills and then sell those skills to business owners through direct outreach, through advertising, through word of mouth, through your referrals. And that's the best way to get started. You literally could just set up a process, and I'm creating a free course in our school.com community for this, how to get started. I'll put a link in the description probably the next week or so. That course will be in there. You can click that and you can all have a course on how to get started and the exact, like, really, you can pick not almost any skill, but from a long list of skills that you find or that I recommend in a video. I'll make another video just on freelancer skills. You can pretty much push the same schedule, because it's ultimately after you pick your freelancer skill. That's what I'll kind of wrap up with here. After you pick freelancer skill, the key is your schedule / focus / energy / time. So ultimately, if you just pick the right skill and there's a market demand for it, and you've got your offer set up correctly, and I'll have to make another video on that, but watch Alex Mosey if you want to watch offer creation. And then once you've got that lined up, it's about every morning waking up and starting that. Or if you have to go work in the morning, wake up before work or after work, during lunch, on your break, you have to do it. You have to sacrifice everything. You put everything in that freelancer skill, you learn it, you start selling it, and you start performing that freelancing skill. You can make the 10K a month, 20K a month from that. And there's a lot of different ways you can build it up, from like Upwork, Indeed, you can do direct outreach, and there's a lot of different other methods. Feel free to reach out if you want me to give you more specific guidance for that. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, freelancing, totally believe that's the best way to get started. Not trying to start like a software, not if you don't have the money, definitely not like an e-commerce business. And unless you're just totally pulled to that, I recommend freelancing, because there's no very low startup to no startup cost, and you can begin selling it today. So that's what I recommend. If you want to join our community, feel free to click the link in the below. It's a free community. Come out with a free course. Love to see you there, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a wonderful day.